Hey, it's Bo Bridgewater. I'm just making a quick video to share with you how to find your referral links for sharing NewU Financial with others. You're going to, of course, go to log in through their login area. Okay, and once you're here, you just enter in your username and password. Keep in mind that this is a free web portal, if you will. It's a free back office where you can access more information. For example, when you land here, this is how you register for the webinars. You don't want to send people the link to the webinar directly, just because in order for them to actually get enrolled, then they need to have created a free account. So there's no cost to get in here. As you can see, the corporate partner programs listed first, and then credit repair and funding. But once they've created an account, they're linked to you. So if you want to find your referral links, like for example for the corporate partner program, you'd click on that. Take just a moment to load up here. Okay, and right down here on this tab is a link to get your referral link for that particular part and it doesn't matter what you've pre-talked, spoken to someone, shared information. They say I want to go to credit funding. They can still use this link because they're just creating a free account initially, right? So you click here, you get your link, and you can send there. The other place to go would be to the agents area. And then here in the agents area, you can see there's another link right here that you could use. That particular one goes to a capture page. What I would recommend is scrolling down here to your referral links, and then right here there's one that says direct to the webinar bypass page. This presentation may be updated by the time that you see it, but anyways, you can grab this link right here. As long as it has your username in it, those are the ones that you want to use. The pages that have the ID numbers, I would recommend sending to people unless they've already created an account through you. The reason for that is just because they're not connected to this particular system, and then if they accidentally click on, say, the root URL, they might inadvertently get signed up through the admin, and then it just takes time to figure that out. So it's best to send people to a URL with your username. Okay? So again, if they're talking about credit and funding, then this would maybe be the one that you should send them to. It covers both sides, but it goes a little more specifically into the part about being able to do credit repair and then get funding through this process. All right, so that's pretty much it. Agents area, you can get links, again, direct to webinar, or back at member home, go through corporate partner program and grab the referral link there. Both lead to this same back office, or then be able to go through the corporate partner program or credit repair and funding. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful and informative. Take care.